So it's day 26 of building the future I have always wanted. So started the day with gym as usual, and today's workout, man, it destroyed me. My whole body is sore right now. I generally don't even feel like sitting on this chair, but the interview isn't going to wait because my back hurts. So we are here. After coming back home, I spent some time researching about company. I was reading what questions they usually ask, how they conduct interview, what other candidates experienced, just trying to remove as many surprises as possible. Then I switched to SQL preparation. I realized it's one of those topics where you don't just watch video, you actually have to practice writing queries. So that's what I focused on today. And before ending the day, I solved today's lead code problem of the day. I'm trying not to break the streak because even one problem a day adds up over the time. That's pretty much for today. See you on day 27. See ya.